Your drains are clogged, your pipes are struggling, water's backing up, frustration's building. You're calling plumber after plumber, hoping someone actually shows up, hoping someone actually fixes it right. But what if I told you there's a better way? What if there's a local team that doesn't just patch your problems, they blast them away? Welcome to the future of drain cleaning. This isn't your grandpa's plumbing. This is hydrojetting, the most powerful, most advanced drain cleaning technology available today. Picture this: pressurized water, refined to surgical precision, launching through your pipes at thousands of psi. Hair, grease, scale, mineral buildup, gone. Tree roots infiltrating your lines, obliterated. Stubborn blockages that have plagued your property for years, completely eliminated. Hydrojetting doesn't just clear your drain, it cleans your entire pipeline. It scours every inch of your system, restoring your pipes to near original condition. No chemicals, no harsh toxins. Just pure, powerful water doing what it does best, flowing freely through your system once again. In Moreno Valley, there's one name you need to know: Pure Valley Plumbing. For over 7 years, our team of 120 skilled professionals has been serving this community with precision, expertise, and unwavering commitment to excellence. We're not just plumbers, we're problem solvers. We're the local experts who understand your pipes, your properties, and your needs. Our fully equipped service vans are ready. Our master plumbers are standing by, available 24/7, responding to emergencies within 60 minutes. That's not a promise, that's a guarantee. Think about what happens when your plumbing fails. The stress, the damage, the expense, the disruption to your life. Whether you're running a business, raising a family, or both, you need a plumber you can trust. You need someone who shows up on time, communicates clearly, fixes it right the first time, and backs their work with a full 12-month warranty. Pure Valley Plumbing delivers on every level. Licensed, insured, EPA LEED Safe certified, and equipped with advanced leak detection technology that finds problems before they become catastrophes. We bring transparency, we bring expertise, we bring solutions. Hydrojetting is changing the game for homeowners and businesses throughout Moreno Valley. Restaurants dealing with grease traps, solved. Homes with aging pipes and persistent clogs, restored. Commercial properties with chronic drainage issues, fixed. One treatment, lasting results, no return visits, no surprise expenses. This is what happens when innovation meets expertise. This is what happens when a local plumbing team invests in the best equipment to serve their community. Don't wait for your plumbing to reach a crisis point. Don't settle for temporary fixes that only mask the real problem. Don't trust just anyone with your home or business infrastructure. Call Pure Valley Plumbing today. Experience the Pure Valley difference. Experience the confidence that comes from working with a true local plumbing leader. Your drains deserve better. Your property deserves better. You deserve better. Pure Valley Plumbing. Licensed, certified, local, trusted. Get your free hydrojetting consultation today. See why Moreno Valley residents and business owners choose Pure Valley for results that last. When it comes to your pipes, don't compromise. Choose pure, choose local, choose excellence.